Hello scholars, I am Dr. Aguilar. I am a faculty in Geography Department, Himalayan University. Today I am going to discuss about research proposal in research methodology. Before going into research proposal, let us know what is a research. A research is a scientific method for finding a solution for a particular problem. There are a lot of issues that may be facing by a community or society as plant species or an animal species or something related to geography, something related to botany, something related to political science, whatever it is. We are going to find a problem and giving a scientific solution for that. That is called a research. What is this research proposal? What is this research proposal? Research proposal is the miniature of the research you are going to do. There are some hypotheses, there are some conclusion that we are already prepared. Some people saying it as the roadmap, some people saying it as framework. Research, it's a framework that will guide you to your final thesis. If you are going for a journey, you need to understand your destination. Otherwise, what is the purpose of this journey? Just like that, you should have an idea in your mind what you are going to do. That is what this research proposal is. This research proposal helps your supervisor or your sponsor to understand what is in your mind, what is the depth of your knowledge, what you will do if they support you. Research proposal is the first and foremost thing or foremost process you want to do in your research. See, research proposal is a rough or provisional framework, or we can say it as a route or a boundary limiting by the researcher. It may be a tentative one or it may be an approximate one, but it is based on the knowledge of the researcher. He is making a boundary or framework. The knowledge of the researcher that he can gain from either from his experience or someone who is experienced the same problem or from reviews. Reviews means readings from different journals, articles, books, even internet facilities, whatever it is. These reviews are the dam of data. Through these reviews, you can narrow your research. In the initial stage, you will be in a junction and there are a lot of roads. And you may be confused which road you want to choose or which will be the right road. This review, the suggestions from your supervisors and the experience you are gained will help you to choose the correct road. That means through this you can narrow your research area. It should be precise before going to the research in detailed manner. Otherwise, at the middle of the research, you may feel that yes, I have chosen a wrong path. So you should Make it clear that you are going in a right way or right path you are chosen. Reviews help in understanding different dimensions of your problem. You will get the early studies for your research. You will understand which are the method those people are chosen in your topic and what is the gap in your research. You can choose a proper method for reaching your solution. Now we can discuss the relationship between research and research proposal. Considering the research proposal, we can say it as a plan, and coming to the research, it is an action. So before going to do an action, we need a plan. This plan is implementing in our action. Say, for example, if we are saying about buying a mobile, for buying a mobile, you have some requirements. It depends upon your purpose. Maybe if you want to call properly, or maybe you want to take photos or videos with that mobile phone, or maybe you want to make video calls, or maybe you can store more data. It depends. So what will you do? You will first go for reviews, go for specifications which support your demand. By understanding each specification, you will pick the specification you need. That is, in research, it is called reviewing, review of literature, picking the data and taking what you want. So now you have an idea of which specification you need to buy a mobile phone. Now the next factor is price. So you will choose those companies which are leading in the mobile industry and compare the price and the specification. Then you will decide which mobile phone you want. This is a systematic plan. Then coming to the action, you will go to the mobile shop. Then you are seeing that mobile phone is there, then you will buy it directly. But when you are going there, if that mobile phone is not available, what will you do? This same problem happens in research also. The research proposal does not always lead you to the final output. When coming to action, it will change sometimes, and sometimes it will not change. Anyway, we can say this research proposal as a blueprint. This is the relationship between a research proposal and a research. I think you understand what a research is, what a research proposal is, and what is the relationship between this research and research proposal. Considering the type of research proposal, there are mainly two types of research proposal. First one is the internal research proposal, and the second one is external research proposal. Internal research proposal is mainly based on academic and unacademic within the university limit. And the external research proposal depends upon solicited and unsolicited proposals. The academic research proposal is what you are doing now. That means making a proposal for getting a degree like a PhD, a dissertation for MPhil, PG, etc. Unacademic or the non-academic research is that a teacher in an university or the university itself preparing a research and giving it to an outer organization. The solicited research proposal, which comes under external research proposal, is that here the government or an institution calls a particular invigilator for doing a research. For example, for making a new project like railway or roadway, the government will assign an invigilator or a project person for investigating about different dimensions or different problems and different scope of that particular project. The unsolicited research proposal means the government is not calling a government or the agency is not calling a particular person. It is a general call. Anybody can do that project and submit it. The best one will be chosen.